Midjourney's new model personalization feature basically gives you access to your own personalized Midjourney algorithm. There's a lot to go over, so let's get started. Each Midjourney model has a default bias and style aesthetic. These impact everything from color palettes to the subject matter in your images. When you prompt for a photo of a person, you're more likely to get a photo of a woman. Prompting for a cinematic photo often results in darker images with teal-orange color grading and muted blacks. Even just prompting with a single character can tell you something about Midjourney's bias. You can fight the bias in the default Midjourney style with a number of approaches, but what if Midjourney could just use your personal bias and style aesthetic? Midjourney's new model personalization feature makes this possible, and the way you prompt will never be the same. To try your personalized model, just add the parameter --p after your prompt. This tells Midjourney to generate the images using your personalized model instead of the default. In this example, you can see a clear style difference between Midjourney's default and my personalized model. So how can you teach Midjourney your style, and what can it reveal about your visual preferences? To use model personalization, you need to rank at least 200 image pairs on the website. This is how Midjourney learns your style. It's really easy, just go to the ranking page and for each pair of images, click the one that you like better. It doesn't matter if the image is true to the prompt, just pick the one that you like better. You can skip an image pair if you want, and each time you select an image, this tells Midjourney that your personal style aesthetic is in the direction of the image that you picked. The more that you do this, the more Midjourney learns about your preferences. At the top of the page, you can see how many image pairs that you've ranked. Once you get to 200 or more, you're good to go. My number's pretty high, mainly because I've participated in Midjourney's pre-release rating parties. You don't need to rank that many image pairs, just make sure that you have at least 200. Once you've ranked at least 200 image pairs, you can start using your personalized model. All you need to do is include --p at the end of your prompt. This is the personalize parameter. When you submit the job, Midjourney will automatically add your model personalization code to the prompt. You can see mine here. Yours will be different. Each Midjourney user has their own model personalization code, and these codes are shareable, so if you want to try mine out, go for it. And you can increase or decrease the strength of your personalized model by changing the stylized value, just as you would with Midjourney's default model. The default value for stylize is 100 with a range from 0 to 1000, where 1000 is maximum strength. Midjourney's model personalization can reveal a lot about your style preferences, for better or for worse. I recommend testing your personalized model with a diverse set of prompts. Try short prompts and long prompts. What do some of your favorite prompts look like with your personalized model? If you want to be really analytical with it, use a seed number and run the same prompt with model personalization turned on and off. How do the results compare? For more information on seed number, check the link in the description below. And if you're enjoying this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more Midjourney content like this. So I ran several prompts using this same seed approach to create a direct comparison between the default model and my personalized model. You can see that my personal images tend to be teal, black, moody, misty, and sometimes strange. Sounds about right. Obviously, this is my own personal bias, but I think my results look a lot more interesting. If you want to share your model personalization code for myself or others to try out, feel free to drop it in the comments. Just like with the default Midjourney model, your personalized model can be used with features like character references and style references. As you can imagine, this opens up a whole other world of exploration where you can escape Midjourney's default bias and enter a space that is more tailored to you. Try it out and see what you think. And if you decide that you love your model personalization code, you can turn it on by default in your settings. So that's a quick rundown of Midjourney's new model personalization feature. If you'd like me to do a more detailed video on how it interacts with some of the other Midjourney parameters, let me know down in the comments. As always, please be sure to like, subscribe, all the things. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.